Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making 50 wedding favor candles. These candles are actually for my sister's wedding. She asked for 50 and this is actually the first time that I make so many candles in the same day. All the candles are 3 ounces and I basically just broke it down into, I think I was doing 12 at a time. I did them all in the same day, but I did them 12 at a time. I'm not going to go into much details on how I made these candles because I do have other videos that I go into details in those videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go click my other videos. Now for scents, I just ordered a few samples and I let them smell them and choose the one that they like, and they went with vanilla buttercream crunch, which I got from the Flaming Candle, and it's such a bakery sweet vanilla scent that smells, it smells perfect for a wedding. Because the tents are only 3 ounces, this actually took less time than I was expecting. It took me about an hour to make all 50 candles, and here I'm just letting them cool off. And this, I believe, is the following day. They're completely cooled off and hardened, and this is when I'm going to go ahead and trim the wick and put the lid on them because I like for them to cure with the lid on. And I was doing this step while I was on TikTok live. If you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you do. Is at Yaneli Amadis, just like my YouTube name. I do have a TikTok for my candles. I can't go live on that account because I don't have enough followers, but if you would like to follow me on that account, it's at Soy True Candles. And also, if you enjoyed this video but you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now, making these candles was really fun. I actually like these tints. I'm actually thinking about including them in my signature collection because as of right now, I really don't have this small option for a candle, if that makes sense. Like, the smallest candle that I have is 7 ounces, so it's something that I really would like to include in my signature scents. Now, making these wedding candles, it was a process of about 3 days. I made the candle one day, then I trimmed the wick and added the warning label on another day, and lastly I applied the labels on another day. These labels, I designed them in Canva. I love using Canva. That's my go-to for everything from designing my candle labels to my YouTube thumbnails, you name it. I love Canva. And then I got them custom printed out using online labels, and this is my first time ordering from online labels and I really liked it. The labels came in really fast, about 2 days after I placed the order, and also they sent me some extra labels, about 4 sheets that comes with 6 labels each. Before I gave the candles to my sister, I did go over the tops with my heat gun just to smooth out the top a little bit, and I also trimmed some wicks that were a bit long. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting into making candles for party favors or for whether it's baby showers or weddings, etc., definitely do, because this was so much fun to do and it's something so cute and a way to stay creative with candle making. And if you enjoyed this video, again, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.